you guys doing? I hope you are okay, or at least better than me. Yes, I came over to do some work, but I think I'm just gonna tidy up everything and go back home. I did do a couple of jobs, but my back is killing me. You don't know, but I got a problem with my disc, and today is not very good. When I woke up, I felt that straight away that something wasn't quite good. So I think for today I gonna resume. But I'll give you a little update about what's going on. So the update is I had to revisit the front because basically I didn't like it. A few scratches, a few things that happened whilst installing other stuff, so I wasn't happy with it, so I had to redo it. But now it's alright, and just needs to be finished, and then I can take it out, put it back on. Anyway, I was preparing the bike to actually take it out and for a bigger spin and see what happens, but then I realized that somewhat the brakes were holding. They were a bit tight, so I went through the front brakes. There was nothing wrong with them, and then when I got to the back brake, I was trying to figure out what was happening, but there was nothing bad as such. It's bad what I did, but it's not bad as such. Basically, the inner pad was not sitting on the on where you should, and therefore it was binding. So took everything out, realized my mistake, put everything back together, and now it's good to go. And I did thought about going for a spin, but my back is killing me, and unfortunately I have to leave it as it is. Anyway, the front needs to finish curing, so I wouldn't even attempt to do anything to it right now, because you got to learn from your mistakes, and the mistakes were in the past were trying to manhandle the stuff that is freshly painted, not fully cured, and then you have to redo it again. So that was a problem. So that is going to be resolved. I do hope my back gets better by the weekend, because mainly I would like to try, if the weather allows me, to go for a spin on Sunday and do it as a one-day ride somewhere far. And on Saturday to just do a few jobs in here if I'm able to. This is the problem with every project. When it starts getting close to the end, there's always little things that are not quite right, and you need to revisit and do it. And the little details, that's the ones who always take longer to get through. But well, if everything goes all right with that front panel for the headlight, I'll resolve it. Then I figured out last weekend that I had another problem, which was my water temperature sensor was flickering. I did try to see what was going wrong with it, but it seems like it was a fault from factory, and basically it doesn't work properly. I did open it, but it was the same as nothing, because I couldn't repair anything. There was nothing I could do with it. So at the moment I don't even know if I'm gonna put another one or not. Actually, yeah, I'm lying. I actually ordered a new one for only, I found it on eBay for only £4.50. Hopefully it will work and it will stay working, and no problem from there. So when I install the whole front, the whole thing is working properly. Yeah, there's much more going on in here, apart from the big mess that I created on Sunday and I didn't resolve yet. So I'm gonna dedicate a little bit of time to tidy up the whole place, and then I'm just gonna go home and have some rest, because I need to work, and without working we don't pay the bills, and I need to work. That's what's the most important part of the story. And if I insist on doing anything here today, things will gonna go wrong, and then I might not be able to get up tomorrow. On the other note is, on Sunday I had a little spin with Renegade, and she was brilliant as always, not a problem with it. And yeah, so she's always, as always, she's ready to go. She wants to go, but I can't. I've got things to do. So you guys keep well. Don't sit on your bum, so you won't get your project done otherwise. And let's hope by next weekend I can do something else with it, because at the moment nothing else is happening. So ride safe, and be good. All right, guys, take it easy. Bye bye for now.